Hey guys, all right, very good. Hey guys, today it's a beautiful day, sunny. I love that. It's about 55 degrees, guys. All right, but today I'm gonna make a very good recipe, guys. All right, very good, very easy to do it. All right, and it's gonna taste delicious. But don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make today spinach ravioli with cream sauce. All right, that's what I need to do these dishes. All right, how beautiful looks, very colorful, and it's gonna taste good, guys. All right, so let's cook with me. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, I have here my fried pans already preheated. All right, so now I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have here to do this dish. All right, I have 1 teaspoon of thyme, I have 1 teaspoon of paprika, I have 1 teaspoon of Italian season to bring the flavor together, guys. All right, so I have 1 red pepper, all right, cut, you guys can see, all right, and I have 1.5 pounds of ravioli. All right, so I have here 10 ounces of cherry tomatoes. All right, guys, I have 6 cloves of garlic. I have 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. All right, I have 1 tablespoon, actually, I'm sorry, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, guys. If you guys don't like hot sauce, just delete the hot sauce. All right, but I love it. And also I have here 1 teaspoon of salt. If you need more, just add it. All right. I have here 1 teaspoon of rosemary. All right, guys, rosemary, I love it. I have here 1 teaspoon of black pepper. All right, I love black pepper. If you guys don't like black pepper, just delete the hot pepper. All right, the black pepper. I have 1 stick of butter, melting butter. All right. I have 1 cup of chicken boiling. Okay. And I have here 1 onion. Doesn't have to be big onion. It's regular onion, all right, regular size. All right, guys, I have 1 cup of white wine. I have 1 teaspoon of oregano. All right, guys, oregano. I have here 2 tablespoons of parsley, just for decoration. All right, and also I have here 2 cups of heavy cream. All right, guys, it's gonna taste good, guys. All right, so also I have here 4 cups of spinach. It's about a bunch, right? It was a bunch, or depending how big is the bunch, but this is about 4 cups. All right, if you guys want more, just add it. If you doesn't like, you want less, just put less. And also here I have 2/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, guys. All right, Parmesan cheese, right? Let's start. Let's go, guys. All right. First, I'm gonna start with my butter. All right, very good. Too hot. That's all right. Too hot. I low down. Now, guys, I'm gonna have my garlic. All right, very good. Very good, guys. All right. So now, my garlic, I have to wait so my garlic gets the brown color, guys, the gold color, all right? I'll be right back. All right, guys, my garlic is brown. That means it's ready. All right, guys, my next step is my onions, all right? Let's cook these onions, all right, together with my red pepper. All right, guys, let's cook these babies. All right, you stir a little bit, right? And let this baby cook. All right, guys, see you a little bit. All right, guys, my peppers, my garlic, and the onion is ready, guys. You guys can see, looking beautiful, guys. All looking perfect. All right, so now my next step is gonna be my cherry tomatoes. All right, guys. Very good. So Let's stir a little bit. All right. Looking good. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let my tomatoes cook, right? A little bit, all right? And I'll be right back. All right, guys, now my tomatoes is ready. You guys can see everything is looking beautiful, all right? Now it's time to put my thyme. My paprika, all right? Italian season, my salt, very good. My rosemary, all right. My black pepper, oregano, all right, guys. Very good. It's looking good, guys. It's looking good. And this is my hot sauce. This is a very, very spice, all right? I love it. You guys can use any hot sauce you guys want, all right? After that, I'm gonna put my wine. All right, very good. The flavor and the colors coming together, guys. Now you stir a little bit. You can see that. It's looking good. All right. Very good, guys. I'm gonna let this cook a little bit more, all right? I'll be right back. All right, guys, I let it cook a little bit. All right, guys can see, nice sauce, all right? Looking good, all right? Just let it cook a little bit, all right? So now it's time for my tomato paste, all right? Very good. Here, okay, stir a little bit, right? That the flavor goes everywhere, guys. Right? Looking good. Start to smell so good, guys. Start to smell so good. Hey, guys, my next step, it's gonna be my spinach. All right. Very good. It's looking good. Right? Now let's cook this spinach. All right? It's looking good, guys. And let's cook this spinach first. All right? All right, it's looking good. The color, the flavor comes together, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, guys, let this spinach cook a little bit. All right, I'll be right back. Oh my God, yes. Time to check, guys, time to check. Woo! All right, looking good. Looking good, guys. All right, you see how it looks? Now my spinach is cooked. All right, so now let's go. I'm gonna cook my ravioli, guys. All right, 1.5 pounds of ravioli. Okay, guys, slowly. All right, the water is boiling. It's looking good. All right, get there. Very good, guys. My ravioli is cooking. Stir a little bit, right? And I don't like to cover, I like to leave like that so they evaporate a little bit the water. Okay, guys, now my sauce is ready for the next step. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, now this is my chicken bouillon. All right, chicken bouillon. Pour nicely. Very good. Yep. Looking good. All right, guys. Now I'm gonna let this cook. All right. So to dry a little bit more. All right. So stew water because of that. So because of the chicken bouillon. So now I have to cook the chicken bouillon. All right, so I will see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, now my sauce is ready for the next step. All right, it has to be gloss. All right, you have to let the water dry. All right, so be nice and thick. All right, the sauce. All right, so now it's ready for my next step. My next step now, guys, is gonna be my heavy cream. All right, my heavy cream, guys. So now you just pour there. All right, very good. Looking good. Looking good, guys. All right, now you stir it. All right. See the color and the flavors coming together, guys. It's looking good. All right, looking very good. You see the color, guys. Now this has to be cooked. Okay, it has to be dry. All right, to get that nice gloss. All right, has to be gloss. All right, so I'm gonna let this cook. All right, and let this cook. I'll be right back. All right, guys, now you guys can see it's glossy. All right, glossy. You guys can see it's not watered down. All right, glossy. That's when you guys can go to the next step. All right, guys, now my next step is gonna be my Parmesan cheese, guys. All right, it's gonna bring the flavor and the color together, guys. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, so you pour it slowly. All right, don't forget to stir. All right, keep it doing. Stay there. All right, very good. Right, more. Yes, very good. All right, guys. You guys can bring the camera here close so everybody can see it. How nice and gloss it's getting. All right, guys, looking good. All right, guys, very good. All right, so now I'm gonna let this cook for a little bit more longer. All right, guys, so I see you guys later. All right, guys. All right, hey guys, my sauce is still cooking. You see, it's very glossy. All right, it's almost ready. All right, guys, so this is almost ready. I'm gonna let this cook for 5 more minutes. All right, now my ravioli is ready. Also, I'm gonna drain the water. All right, guys, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, all right, very good. Woo! All right, guys, hey guys, very good. All right, took me about like, I say about like 45 minutes, all right, to 1 hour to do this dish. All right, and I promise you, will taste delicious. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, hey guys, this is my final dish. All right, delicious, and I'm gonna let you know. All right, very glossy. That's the way it's supposed to be. Right? Just take your time, read my recipe. Don't forget to my video on YouTube. Don't forget to see the arrow down to the right. Click there, you see all my recipes. All right, guys. All right, now I'm gonna let you know, guys, how this tastes. All right. See this? Ooh, looks good. Looks good, guys. All right. Let me put a little bit of sauce. A little bit of sauce. All right. Very good. Put Parmesan cheese. Very good. As you can see here. You can take a look. Fresh pepper. Now I'm ready for the first bite, guys. All right, let's go, Tip. Let's see what's happening. Let you know. Wow, wow, guys. It's very, very, very good, guys. And the sauce is very glossy. It's melting all over my mouth, guys. Very, very good. Wow, you guys have to try this, okay? It's a very good recipe. All right, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, guys? Mm. Mm, 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 mm. 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 That's what I call spinach ravioli with sauce. All right, guys? This is good, guys. Hey, guys, you guys have a good weekend, right? Love you all.